How to edit your profile on Roblox. Hey guys, let's get started. You can customize your Roblox profile by making different changes to your avatar. In order to access it, first of all, you can see your current profile. For this, open your Roblox account and log into your credentials. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then tap on Edit Profile. From here, you can see different changes, currently wearing status, and other profiles as well. To make any customizable change, you can now just go back to the previous page and then tap on your avatar. Here are different changes and customizable options that you can opt for. However, there are only limited free items, so for other customizable items, you might have to purchase it. There are different sections including the body type, your appearance, your head, torso, and limbs. The clothing section also includes different kinds of outfit that you can select from. Also, you can add and modify accessories like hats, glasses, and gear. Also, choose different animation for your avatar movements for a better customization. Once that is done, you should save the changes. You can now go to your profile picture, click on the profile picture to upload a new image, or you can use something from your gallery itself. Edit the bio option and change the background, and you're good to go. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.